टू वेल्सक्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावूद एंड भलायकी. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल to make a fizzy, refreshing again summer drink, because this year it is very very hot overall in India. So at present in Goa it's very hot. You can't just go out. It's humid, it's hot, hot air is blowing. So today I'm going to make some Jambla refreshing drink. So रायज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमची गोंयची जांबला. In English it is called like plum, purple berry, jamblas, if you can Google and you can see. So what we have to do, we have to de-seed this. So you have to de-seed this. There is a seed inside and we need only the seed. This is the seed. And put it in a blender or separately. Seed we keep it outside. So these are very sweet one. We tasted. It's a season fruit, and only seasonal it's available. When we were child, that time we used to have this, and our tongue used to be all papaya. तर हेजे हे काढून सगळे बी काढात. मागीर दाखयता. मागीर कांय ना, एक्चुअली वेरी सिंपल. आणि इल्ली पुदिना घालून वांटूया with some ice water. So here it is, and here are the seeds. So this was like 100 rupees, 60 pieces they were selling in Friday market. And we'll put some fresh mint in this. Wash the mint leaves and add in this some fresh mint. So we add this. Then we'll add little bit of ginger powder. That's it. And some chaat masala I'm adding. You can add black salt. Some half cup of ice in this so that it is chilled. And some little bit of chaat masala. Now we'll grind this and make a juice. So keep your glass ready. I've added some mint, and this is chaat masala. You can just add whatever you want. And this is our juice of Jambla. So I will add few pieces in this. Two glasses. So mint is there down. Mint leaves. Then we'll add this. Then we'll add our lime juice. How much you want to add. And one more will add half. So more lime, it tastes nice. Then we will add this much of chaat masala. I am not adding salt. Chaat has got the black salt. And we'll crush this again little bit and just squeeze this like this. I don't want more to be squeezed, so it goes the minty flavor. Then we add our Jambla juice. So how much you want to add? And we add our soda. That's it, our refreshing Jambla summer drink is ready, healthy and delicious. Garnish it with some.
And here it is, our local Goan Jambla refreshing drink. Thank you.